Welcome to this course, Core Java, J2SE, and here I am Nitin Patil. I deliver you the sessions on Core Java, but this session is based on encapsulation. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation, it is nothing but binding of data, or you can say wrapping of data, and that task need to be performed, and for that purpose we have one normal Java class, and inside the class we just need to make public data into a private and hide for that particular other resource, or you can say encapsulation work in a background. Just we need to send input value to the class, and class performs some task on that data in a background and gives us just a output. That is nothing but encapsulation, and we can perform encapsulation by using two ways: by constructor as well as by setter and getter methods. You can suppose a class. For demonstration of encapsulation, I am going to just develop a very simple example by using NetBeans IDE. See, file, new project, Java, class library. Next, give name to the project regarding the concept like encapsulation demo. See, likewise we have a file system, and first I'm going to create a package as usual, com.java persistent.ex. Inside the package I'm going to create a class like employee. See, we have this class, and for performing encapsulation I need to declare some private variables, private int eid and private string name, and here I am going to create a setter and getters. Insert code, getter setters, both the variables. See, this is our class. Here we have this encapsulated class, private variable, and these are the public method get, set, get, and set. So right now, this is our encapsulated class. For accessing or for performing some feature of encapsulation class, I need to create a new class like access employee. I'm just creating a main method, and we have encapsulated class name as employee, obj equals to new employee. See, this is the class. I'm just creating an object obj dot set name, set eid as a 1010, and obj dot set name as abc. This is the setting. I'm just setting value inside the class, and get emp id by using plus obj dot get eid and get name obj dot get name. See, I'm just sending value inside the class by using set name methods like 1010 and then name abc, set name, set eid. Here what I'm saying sending 1010 1010 will come here, and this is nothing but this eid, and this dot eid, in the sense this means refers to the current class and assigning. So 1010 means 1010 comprised with this eid, parameterize eid, and assign this eid to the this dot eid means current class eid. Current class eid is a private, and this again same as like for a set name. Also name, I am sending abc. This abc assign this value to the current variable, and performing some task here. Set and get means accepting public value and make it into a private, and which is available in a class, means it is nothing but a wrapping of data. And by using get name, I am accessing this value again from encapsulated class to here normal Java class. This is nothing but encapsulation. I'm going to run that application. So likewise we have a output 1010 and ABC. Now this class employee class work in a background. I am just sending value from here and getting value here only. The class work in a background, just receiving the values from set ID name, and then again I am getting value by taking help of these methods only. This is nothing but encapsulation. I hope you got all the concept regarding encapsulation by using setter and getter. Right now second example is what? By using constructor. For that purpose I am going to create another one package, com.persistent.ex.encap, create a new class, Java class, encap demo. This is my class. Private string name, private int id. These are two variables, and I'm going to create a constructor like encap demo. Again int id comma string name. This dot id equals to id, and this dot name equals to name, and public void show. This is my method, and I'm just printing the local values, did plus this dot id name plus this dot name. Right now I'm going to create a main method and creating an object. For creating an object we require class name obj equals to new constructor obj dot sorry constructor having to parameterize constructor. I have passing the values abc, then I am calling a method for accessing the values. Show method is there. See, means I am sending two public values to the constructor id 1010 for id and abc for name. This is the public values, and this public variables sending value or assigning value to this dot id. So this dot id means current class id. This id having private access specifier, means here wrapping of data is concept cleared, and I again print that private values here, means I can access that value also by using show method, and I'm calling show method by using object here. This is the encapsulation by constructor. I hope you got, means just I am running that application. See, we have likewise output. I hope you got all the concept regarding encapsulation by using setter getter and by using constructor. Thanks for watching the session.